Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And if you get one now, coming from ACEFAST, iPhone, iPad, iPod. Alright, this must be another USB type dude. So if you need anything for your smartphones, this company is the best one right now on Amazon to get. So these are selling out fast, and they got them at a good price. I have to get my iPod. There we go. Got a charge USB charge cable. And it's a C201 USB-C to Lightning zinc alloy silicone charging data cable. So if you need a good one for your iPhone, iPad, iPod. Alright, let's take a look. Ooh, this has a nice feel to it. And of course you could use the charging dock like I am right now, charging this Galaxy phone. And like I said, let me grab my iPod, look that up because I know that one's completely dead. Be right back. Alright guys, got my trusty old iPad or iPod, whatever they're called. But here we go. Hey, they got this good twist. Here we go. Oh boy, come on. Be free. Be free. Alright, this is good reach. Plug it in. Well, that fits perfect. Bada boom. There it goes. Got the charging the Galaxy right now, and then charging the iPod. Yeah, iPod. So really cool. Definitely helpful. Definitely you guys need some new cables for your devices. This is a great place to get them. ACEFAST. Link will be down below. Get them now before they sell out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.